Hi and welcome to Lesson 3 of Catalog Visibility Options for WooCommerce, controlling product visibility based on location. In this video, I will show you how to control product visibility based on location using the Catalog Visibility Options plugin. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Now click on the Visibility Options tab, scroll down to Location Filter Options. To enable location-based visibility, set Location Filter functionality to Enabled. This will show or hide products based on the user's location. Next, choose the location filter type. You can filter products by countries or by specific region. Select the option that fits your store's needs. Next, set up the location selection page. This is where users can choose their location. You can create a new page or use an existing one. Under location selection requirements, you can require users to select a location or make location selection optional. In Allow Changes to Location Selection, you can choose whether users can change their location after initially selecting it. If you want to automatically detect the user's location, enable geolocation. You can also choose to clear the cart when a user changes their location. This ensures users only see products available in their selected location. Once the changes have been made, click the Save Changes button to save the settings. With these settings, you can control product visibility based on the user's location. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.